See, now today we are going to discuss about next type of series, that is letter series. See, generally see, yesterday we done with the number series, and today we start with the letter series. See, generally the letter series will be quite easy. Mainly in SSC, mainly, if there are other types possible. Mainly, they will focus on mixed series. They focus on mixed series. So again, let's try to see some questions. Okay. See, let's see this mixed series now. K, O, S is the next series. The moment you see the range of these letters, you know K is 11, O is 15. How much increase? Plus 4. Similarly, from here to here, it is also plus 4. Obvious, next one also will be plus 4. So what is S plus 4? W. So 2 are eliminated. Similarly, J, 10, N, 14, R, 18, V, 22. Similarly, L plus 4P, P plus 4T, T plus 4X, WX is the answer. See, in this case, it's quite easy question. Why? Even though there are 3 series are there in this, but everything is increasing by only plus 4. But this is not all the case. Some cases what happened? One series increase like this, like plus 2, or plus 2. Some series decrease like this. And some again increase or decrease like plus 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4. So like this also possible. So this mixed series can be of any type. So generally it is everything is plus 4. Now you come to 37, it's still very easy. So A, B, C, D, obviously E. N, O, P, Q, R. So ER. It's very easy. Yeah, try to answer. What's the answer? See, if you see in this fashion, B2, D4. So from here it is only plus 2. and again D to N, it is like plus 10. You don't know what is the next thing because it is plus 2 here, it is plus 10. Maybe it is here plus 2, we don't know, or it is like plus 18, we don't know, right? So when you don't know this thing, you try to check the pattern in between the letters. You know, for example, B2, E5. So it is increasing by how much? Plus 3. EH. E is how much? 5, 8. So plus 3. So D, G7 plus 3. Here also plus 3. Here also plus 3. Here also plus 3. So check the option that where you can see plus 3 and plus 3. So the answer is C. Here also you can see plus 3. Here also it is increasing by 3. Okay. So you can do like this also. Next one. 41. So D4, I9, N14. For the next one? 4, 9, 14. What's the next one? Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So 19. 19 means what? Yes. So eliminated, eliminated. So yes. Come to now E5, J10, O15, T20. So here T. Both are having T. B7, sorry, B2, G7. So plus 5. G7, L12 plus 5. L plus 5, that is 12 plus 5, 17. 17 means Q. So the answer is S to Q. So in this case also everything is increasing by plus 5. Again, it's also very easy question. See, generally from this area, question will be easy only in the exam. No need to panic much. Easily will get the answer. Yes. 42. What's the answer? B, C, C, D, E. So C, C, again D, E. When there are three letters are there here, starting with D, E. So D E is repeated here. Next one is starting with E, again F, G. So here only two letters are there, two letters are repeated. So what's the next one? Last G, here comes here G, H, I is the answer, right? $43. What's the answer? Here A, here J, here M. So I can't take that series. So obviously I will take in between. So A, F, how much? Plus 5. F2, I, 3. JO, 5. Here also 3. Here also 5. Here also 3. So what is the answer? Hmm? RJL. Increase, no. It is increasing. It is decreasing. No. G to J. It is only plus 3, I think. No. See, H to M, 8, 13. So 5. It is 3. So C is the answer. Again, easy only, not that much difficult. Okay, we'll see some moderate level questions. Okay. What kind of coding? You know, it is opposite coding. A opposite Z, C opposite X, E opposite V, G opposite T, K opposite P. And the options also all are opposite. So let's check this now, the series. A to C plus 2, C plus E plus 2, E to G plus 2, G plus 2 I. So I opposite is R. I plus 2 K, K plus 2 M. So M opposite N. So your answer is IR and MN, IR and MN. These are the answer. Easy. Everything is increasing by 2. It is the pattern of opposite coding type of question, right? Yeah. What is the answer? Okay. Hmm? Sure. Why not D? If you take a difference like this, for example, N2P, it is increasing by plus 2. M2K, it is increasing by minus 2. R2T, again plus 2. I2G, again minus 2. If you think is the next one is a plus 2, this is also plus 2. This is also plus 2. So this is not the format. So what is the answer? So now what you try to do is, this is not the way to do, but you observe one thing, N opposite M, P opposite K. Then same way, R opposite I, T opposite G. So you want to know the series, no? So N to M, what is the increase? Plus 4. In the same way, R plus 4 will be V. So now, similarly, if you see this one, P plus 4 T. Again, T plus 4 is X. Did you understand anything? No. What he's asking? What he's asking is, let's see, I will explain what he's asking. So what are the first two letters? Okay, what are the first letter? Two letters? M, N and P. So this is M and this is P. Got it? What are the next series? M and K. So this is M and this is K. Exactly opposite of NP. Yes or no? Similarly, what is the next series? RT. If this is the RT, what is our next series? Exactly opposite of this one. That is I and G. Now you tell me what will be our next series? B and X. Then what will be the next series? E and C. Yes or no? So that's why he's asking the pattern. That is the reason I took 4. From where I took? From N to R. No? That is the reason N to R. Plus again R to B. You got the answer. Okay. This blue color one. I'm talking about blue color one. Blue color line. I take 4 because I'm jumping from here to here. Similarly, I'm jumping from here to here. That is the reason I took plus 2, sorry, plus 4 and plus 4. And remaining all are opposite. Okay. I think climax is so conductive to be in a dormant stage. Huh? Who will wake up from the bed and all? Okay, if sun is there, it's heating up, so obviously we wake up from the bed and do some activity. So Next one. It's quite a good question actually. Moderately good question. And remaining all same. For example, here B, C, E. No, I don't want to ask. A, C, F. Again, it is increasing. A to C increasing by +2. Again, +3. Maybe +4. Maybe +5. Like this. So I'm not asking this again. Here also A, E, I. Not that much important. And no need to solve also simply. We'll take one more important question. Yes, this is very important question for SSC. To make a note of this and try to solve this question. Yeah, solve it. Yes, got the answer. Done. Got the answer. What is the answer? ఏం ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది ఎంతో ఇది ఉన్నట్టున్నదా అండి సేమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో మిక్స్డ్ సిరీస్ ఓన్లీ properly will get the answer. Okay, again, very important. See here. Start with U, gap, O, M, I. Yes or no? This is one series. Why? I can clearly see that this is increasing O, then M, then I. So it is following some pattern. So obviously I can say it is a series. Yes, H, J. Oh, yeah. Okay. What's the next series? P, gap, B, B, A. Yes or no? The next one is I, gap, I, gap, P, Q, W. Yeah. Now let's see the first one. M to N. What is the change? Sorry, I to M. What is the change from I to M? Plus 4. M to O plus 2. Now what is O? 15. What is U? 21. What is the difference? 6. If difference is 6, can I write like plus 4 and plus 2? Yes or no? Because difference is 6 here. So O plus 4? Yes. S plus 2? U. That is perfect. Now come to the second one. A to B. What is the change? Plus 1. B to D? Plus 2. I don't know next one is plus 3 or plus 4. So for that, I will take the difference. What is the D? 4. P? 16. What is the total difference? 12 is the difference. If 12 is the difference means I can write like this. Plus 4 and plus 8 because 12 is the difference, right? Plus 4 and plus 8. So D plus 4, H. H plus 8, P. Perfect. Now see here. Q2W. Increasing or decreasing? Decreasing by 6. So minus 6. P2Q. Q is 17, P is 1. So minus 1. What is the next one? Minus 6. P minus 6 is J. And next one is minus 1. J minus 1 is I. So your answer is SHJ. This is also mixed series, but in this case, every series is following different pattern. Okay, the first one is following plus 4 plus 2 pattern. The second one is following plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 pattern. And the third one is following minus 6 minus 1 pattern. That is the only difference here. Okay. ఏంటండి వచ్చేలా రాస్తుందంటే డీ ప్లస్ 4 తెచ్చా కదా మనం ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ చూసాం కదా ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది ఇక్కడ 16 ఉంది సో ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే టోటల్ 12 కదా 12 కావాలంటే ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2 ఉంది 12 కావాలంటే ప్లస్ 4 ప్లస్ 8 కదా పాసిబిలిటీ సార్. Okay, so this is also a bit interesting question, again important for SSC as well. Done. Screening there. Yes, what is the answer? B0, Y3, C8, X15, D24. Now, B and Y, how they are related? Opposite. C opposite, X. D opposite, W. Now, 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. The moment I said it starts with 0, it's not like n square minus n formula. So I can write 0 like 1 square minus 1, it is 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, obviously 5 square minus 1 and 6 square minus 1. So it is 35. So your answer is W, 35 is the answer. Yeah, you can answer it, it's not a great difficult question. You can generally answer in the exam also. Next. Again, this also you can answer. So what is the answer? What is the answer? See here, Z, Y, X, W. What is the next one? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and minus 1. That is B. A, B, C, D. What is the next one? E. Up to here, fine. Now here 4, 5, 5. 4 is at the center. So what is the difference here? Minus 1. Here 4 at the center. Here 6 at the extreme position. So what is the difference here? Plus 2. Here 6 at the extreme. Now that came into center. So minus 3. What will be the next one? Obviously plus 4. But where? At the extreme position. So VE 7 is the answer. Okay, you can answer it again. Okay, these are some of the questions from the letter series, and many questions will be of mixed series type only. No need to worry. Or for example, if you see some previous questions of some other examinations, this is one of the question like A, D, I, P. What is the next one? This is a previous question. I think it's group 1 question, 2011 exam. 11 exam means I think main cell in 12. What the answer? Obviously, y is the answer because this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So like this. Yeah, next very important for exam. SSC again started asking these questions because in 2021 I saw these questions. These are nothing but your repeated letter series. Again, very important for any exam, not only SSC. Those who are preparing for SI as well, it is very important. So let's start with this one repeated letter question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what exactly examiner is expecting from this? See the word. The word itself says that is a repeated letter series. So one pattern is keep on repeating. One pattern will be keep on repeating. That is the meaning of repeated letter series. You need to identify how that pattern is repeating. If I substitute which of the following options, whether if I substitute A, B, C or D, then I can find out the repeated pattern. But in the exam, we can't substitute each and every option and we need to go for identification of the pattern because it leads to time waste. To avoid this time waste, what we will try to do is, we itself try to divide this particular series into some blocks and we will check that whether the blocks are repeating or not. For example, here total how many letters are there, including the gaps? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Total how many? 12 are there. If there are 12 letters are there, including gaps, there is a possibility of 4 blocks repeating 3 times, or sorry, 3 blocks repeating 4 times, or 4 block letters can be repeated for 3 times, or 3 block letters will repeat for 4 times. That is one way. Other thing is 6 into 2. Okay, so 6 blocks repeating into twice, or 2 big blocks are repeating into 6 times, right? So these are the possibilities. So we'll check that. First, I will divide 3 divided by 4 because there are only 12 are there. Okay, so we'll try to divide into 3 letter block. This is the first block. This is the first block. This is the second one, and this is the third one. After the first thing is, we have divided in the 3 block, and these 3 blocks can be repeated 4 times. That is 4 times it is repeated. Now, what is the next thing? What I have to check? Repetition has to check. If I have to check repetition, means this block is repeating somewhere. So what is the here? B gap A. So I need to check for the common in the remaining part. For example, B gap A. Here B gap A possible? No, because here B is there, A is not possible. B gap A here possible? Yes. If I keep B here, if I keep A here, these two will be same. If these two are same, means obviously what are remaining? These two will be same. Here also you see that B gap B, B gap B. So if I put A here, here also it is A. Yes or no? Or if I keep B here, here also it will be B. Yes or no? ఇక్కడ A అక్కడ B ఉండదు కదా. Now, so your answer is either A, B, B, B is one answer because A, B, B, B is one answer. The second answer is A. What's the next one here? A, then is B and A. So this is the second answer. So these two are possibilities. So which option is showing the option? B is the answer. So option B is the answer means you remove these things and you just substitute with what? B. Here also B, here also B. Then you can see this. These two are repeating and these two are repeating. So called as repeated letter series. So in this case, what you need to find out is the common block. Check this block. Wherever the common is there, then you go for the answer. Okay. Again, very important for SSC or SI also. Next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 options which are with 82. What is the answer? Already he divided into 4 blocks. So he done almost everything. అంతా పని చేసి మిగతా మనకి ఇస్తున్నాడు అనమాట. ఆల్మోస్ట్ వర్క్ వాడే చేసి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి. మనం ఏంటంటే నింపుకోవాలి అంతే. Yes or no? So it is 4 block. Already his comma means 4 block. Comma means 4 block. Comma already divided block. Now check the common. What is the common here? A Z B gap. A Z B gap. So obviously here you have to put y. Here it will be B. So A Z B Y, A Z B Y. Similarly A Z B Y and A Z B Y. So that is the answer. It's very easy one. So expect that all the questions should be like this in the exam. Because here he can trick you a lot. He can grill you in the exam if you in this type of questions. Literally, he will grill you with these questions. Sometimes even you will not get the pattern also. The pattern will be of some logic. Okay, the logic from other planet. Only examiner will understand sometimes that kind of logic. Not just you want to trouble the student. Now, can you have any type of logic why some questions will be quite tricky in nature? Why examiner will give some questions quite tricky? What is the reason? Why he will ask? Is there any having fun? If you ask like that, if you start grilling the students, it will be fun for the examiner. Not confusion. Not to confuse. Why he will ask? Generally, 2 or 3 questions will be very tough. Why? It shows your attitude towards the question. Not some people know who studied very well. They say that, why I am trying, I am not getting the answer, and they will time just 3 or 4 minutes literally. If 2, 3 questions asked like this, he is going to waste some 6 to 7 minutes. He tests your attitude. If it is very tough, you have to respect the question, and you have to move forward. Same in the life also. If some tough situation comes, you have to move on in the while doing your job also something. So that's kind of mentality we check. That is the reason he will grill you in that something. Otherwise, it's fine. Yeah. Let's try to check this one. Option A. Choose చేసారా? Okay. Total how many letters? 16. Obviously 16 means simply I can divide. First I will check with 4 into 4. So I will divide into 4 letter block. Yeah. First one is gap AAB. So check with gap A. So common not possible. Gap AAB possible. So if I keep B here, here will be A. So these two are common. If these two are common means remaining only these two. Let's check common with this. AB gap A. ABBA. Here also BBA. So these two are common now. This is your answer, right? Sorry. What is the answer? See, whenever you see the question, don't try to divide immediately. Don't try to divide it. First of all, have a board view of the question, have an overview of the question. How these letters are tried to arrange. ఆ లెటర్స్ ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేస్తుడు అనేది ఫస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. తర్వాత దెన్ ఓకే హియర్ డివిజన్ ఇస్ మస్ట్ అనిపిస్తేనే డివిజన్ చేయండి. Now in this case, no need to divide. Why? If you see here, the entire series, only 2 letters are repeating. So these are the 2 letters repeating, 2 letters repeating, 2 repeating, 2 repeating. Yes or no? So when two letters are repeating, we try to fill the gaps. For example, already F is there, so I can put F here. So FF GG. Then here it will be EE. Then GG EE FF. Here also EE. Then also F. So now if I fill this, I will get the answer. So there are some questions. By just seeing, you will get the logic. Okay, no need to divide. So this is how it is repetition takes place. So this is a repeated question. Option B is the answer. Next. Yeah, try to answer this one. It's also moderate question, not like difficult question. Yes, moderately difficult. Well, answer. You know. See. Yeah. Okay, let's check this one. Total how many letters? 18. So if 18 means I can divide like 3 blocks repeating 6 times or 6 blocks repeating 3 times. Okay. Now let's check first with the 3 3. If I check with this, A gap C. So A gap C common not there. Here A gap C. So these two are common, maybe possible. If this is ABC, here also it is ABC. Now come to the next one, A gap B. And here also A gap B means these two are common. Now you come to the C1, CAA, but it is BC gap. Yes or no? So common is not possible. So with 3 3 blocks, I'm not getting the common pattern. So now what I have to do? But if I see this total number of types of letters that are there, only 3 types of letters. What are they? A, B, and C. We have to arrange these three letters. But if you see somewhere here, you can see here double B, double A is also possible. There is one more logic, that one more uh, point we can find out here, right? So what I will try to do is I will try to fill these 3 letters now, and I'll try to get the answer. For example, here A, gap C. So what I can put here? B. If this is over. Now here also if I see this A, gap B, C is there again. So obviously here double is there. So here means 2 times. Now here A, B, C. So it is A, B, B, C. Similarly, A, B, B, C, C. Okay. It's not that much easy. It's moderate question, not easy, but at the same time, it is not too difficult also. So first one is ABC. In the next series, what is saying? Repeating ABC, but it's adding A extra. Again, come to the next series, adding A extra and B extra. Then A, B, B, C, C. Or this one also clue. Like see here, already BB is there. So what you do is put C here. It becomes CC. Here already A here, you put A here. You get AA, BB, CC. And if you are not able to do this entire thing, at least you can solve this one. Sir, no? Even if you solve that one also, you would answer as option C, because only these two know. AC is not there anywhere. So obviously then also you can pick the answer. There should be some logic in the examination to pick the answer. Okay. So that is the reason whenever you are seeing the question, instead of dividing immediately, try to overlook how many times A is repeating, how many times B is repeating, how many times C is repeating. Okay. How many times it like one time it is increasing or double or triple or 4 times it is increasing. That kind of observation is also important to solve these questions. Okay. For example, we'll see some kind. There is one clear cut kind of question is there. You see this one. You see this question. If you start dividing and doing it, you won't get the answer immediately. But once you observe this, what is the thing that you can observe? All are B's. The entire series is B. So now you tell me that which option you have to fill so that you get the answer. Yeah, no. A you will never be answered. Why? Because B, 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 and last one is A. If this is also B, okay. But last one is A. It means that till here you'll get the series and last one is AB. So no, entire B, last one is AB. So there's nothing repetition here. Okay. Even if you fill option B also, you get something like this. No, B, B, A, yeah, A, B. Till here, fine. Now again A, again B, 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 again A, 4B. Now come to option C. If you fill the option C, A, B, A, B, and A, B. So if I fill this, there is some pattern is repeating. Yes or no? What's the pattern that is repeating? Here A, then followed by 4 B's. Here also A followed by 4 B's. Here also A followed by 4 B's. So your answer is option C is the answer. So there is a pattern that is repeating. B 4 A 4 B's, A 4 B's, and again A 4 B's are repeating, right? Next question. You do 99 again. Yep. Do it 99. You practice more because definitely you will get one question from this area. Yeah. What is the answer? B, A, B, C. C. Total how many letters? 19, huh? 20, huh? 20 means 4 blocks repeating 5 times or 5 blocks repeating 4 times. I will take big blocks because again, 4 full blocks will get more number of blocks. Now, what is the first one? B gap C C A. So here B possible? No. Here also B possible? No. But here possible. B gap C C A. So BB CCA. Here also BB CCA. The moment you see this one BB double CC double A. In the same way here CC AA B. Here also AA, BB, C. So BB, CC, A. 2, 2, 2 are quite repeating. Because see, the first one, last one I'm matching, thereby I can construct the series. ఎందుకంటే ఈ లాజిక్ ఇలానే ఉండాలి అని ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏం లేదండి. సో మనం ఏదైనా మనకు అనుకూలించింది మనం ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు. సో BAA, BC. For the answer option is the answer. Next question. Yeah, try to answer. Exam in exam you won't expect this much big questions. In exam probably there's somewhere around 12, 15, maximum 16. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 23. Yeah. Yeah. Total how many? 20 are there. 20 means 5 blocks repeating 4 times or 4 blocks repeating 5 times. So first I check with the 5 block because it is a bigger one. See, there is no rule that you have to take big, but again, generally I will take the bigger one so that I will get the answer, right? Somewhere better. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where I went wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 24, huh? Oh, 24 means 6 blocks repeating 4 times or 4 blocks repeating 6 times, right? Then if I divide this, okay. See, ADB gap AC. AD not possible. AD not possible. AD not possible. I can directly eliminate this one. Next one is 4, 4. Okay. Now, ADB gap. AD not possible. ADB not possible. A not possible. A not possible. A not possible. With 4 also not possible. See, generally, but if I see this question, total how many types of letter we are having? A, B, C, D. So your answer will be repetition of this A, B, C, D only. So already here A, D, B is there. What is left of here? C. Here already A, C is there. What I can put? B. Here already A, B, C, D. Here D, C, B, A. D, B, C, A. C, B, D, A. So C, B, B, A, A. Yes or no? Or if you closely observe this question, how this question is, what's the first letter here? A. Here also A. Here D. Here also D. Here B. Here also B. Here C. Here also C. It's like a mirror image. You can see at the center D, D, C, C, B, B, A, A. So it's also repeating, but like a mirror image kind of thing. Or otherwise, you can do like this also. Just to divide how many types of letters are there. Fill it. If anything is possibility, yes. Otherwise, we have to check with the common thing. Next. Now you try to answer this one. There is a clue. What is the clue? See the last one. If you see the last one, how it is repeating? Here how many days? 3 days. Here how many days? 3 days. So obviously here it will be C. Here it will be A. So till here you got the series. Similarly, if you see the next two, all are two repetitions are there. So double A, double B, double C, double. In the same way, A, B, C. So this is the series. By observation, you can get the answer, right? Yeah. So B, B, D, A, C. By observation, you get the answer. Next one, 98. We done 98, huh? We done, no? Again, I copied, huh? Okay. Yeah. Try to answer 95. B. Okay. Total how many? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18 means 6 blocks repeating 3 times or 3 blocks repeating 6 times. So you can take whatever you want. Can I take bigger one? Yes. Now L gap B, gap UB. L gap B, gap UB. So possibility is there. So L is there. You put U, you put L here. So L U B, L U B. Here again T is there. You put T here. T U B. Here also T U B. So L U B, T U B, L U B, T U B, L U B, T U B. Same thing. Or you can write like this also. L U B, T U B, L U B, T U B, L U B, T U B. Like that also. See, generally in the SSC, if he's asking any familiar word, for example, the previous question is MAN man, MAN man, MAN man, MAN man. M gap, N gap, yeah, like this also. Or otherwise you will ask like POT pot, POT pot, POT pot like that. In this case, there's LUB, TUB, LUB, TUB, LUB, TUB. These questions are generally easy. Okay. Again, 96. What answer? Option? You know, ఇది చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది ఇది కౌంట్ నాకు టైం పడుతుంది ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇది టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ 20 4 sir no total how many letters 24 24 means 8 blocks repeating 3 times or 6 blocks repeating 4 times ఏదైనా అవచ్చు కదా మన తలకాయకి తలనొప్పికి I will take 6 blocks repeating 4 times. I think that is a good one. Ouch. C gap B, A gap. C gap B, no. C gap B, A gap. So these two are common. CAB, CAB, AA. So here also you put AA. C here, C here. So these two are common. Yes or no? Similarly, these two also common, like ACA, ACA, BCA, BCA. So ACA, BCA. So these two are common. So this is the answer. AC, BA. Even you divide it into 3 block, also you get the answer. Huh? No. BCA is there. Where last year? Last two. In the class. I'm not getting. Last three letters. So 7 votes of BCA. BCA. First is 12 letters. So BCA. First letter is the BCA. First 12 letters. Last. No, three letters. Last letter BCA is there. BCA. It is a repeated letter series. No, if I am dividing 6, these 3 are repeating. If I divide into 3, then also it will repeat. For example, if I divide into 3, so these 3, and these 3, and these 3. Now you check. Repetitions are there. All the repetitions will be there. Like for example, CAB. Where is CAB? You will get. CAB you are getting here. Next one is AAC. You'll getting here. Where AAC? AAC is getting here. Yes or no? You get ACA. You'll get somewhere that repetition of ACA also. ACA. You can see the repetition here. Here obviously BCA. The last one is also BCA. Repetition means somewhere it will be repeating. That's what we are finding out, right? It will repeat. So what you did is you check the common from here and you check the common there. These two you check that. No problem. Unless as far as you are more comfortable with your that procedure, that is good. Just checking the commons. This common, that common, that common. If you are comfortable with that, go with that only. Okay, no need to divide all these and things. No need. Okay, whatever you are comfortable, you can follow it. Next. Which one? 90. Okay, we'll do these last 2 questions in this type of questions, and remaining you can solve previous questions from the Kiran's. Okay. You can see now. How the pattern? ABB, BBC, ABB, BBC, CC, CCA, AAB. Huh? Continuing. Okay, let's see this. ABB, BBC, then CC, A, then gone. It's fine. It's ending with C. Here also starting with C. Ending with C, starting with C. Ending with A, starting with A. Till there, it was perfect. The repetition. Total, how many are there? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 are there, no? 4 blocks repeating 4 times. I think it is repeating somewhere like this only. 4 blocks repeating 4 times. It is like double repetition is there. Means one letter is repeating twice. Total how many letters here? A, B, C. Three letters. In the three letters, you have to fill in the gap also means there some letters should be repeating. Right? For example, it's like A, B, C, B. Now it will be like B is already C, C are double. So what is left with A? Now in this case, there are two gaps are there. Which one I have to take? Okay, let's check this. How to take this one? So what is the first letter here? B. Here the first letter is last letter is B. Here first letter is next one is what? C. Next one is what? C here. Next one here B. Again B. So B. So B C. Last one is A. Okay, now B C. Skipping again B A. Let's check with this C A. So I can go with what? C A. What is the last one again? B. B B. No. I will number it to avoid confusion. I will number it. So this numbering is whenever you are confused. Otherwise, don't number in the exam. Still numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? It starts with again. Don't give this 3, 4 because two numbers are having common, so you'll get confused. But anyway, we start it here. 4, 3. What is A? 1. So 4, 3, 1. It is jumping to 1. Again, you are having 2. Means last one, right? So, what this one C means what? 3. So now again it has to start with 3 only. Yes or no? It's 4, 4, 3, 3. No. So obviously here it should be what? 3. Here it should be what? 1. A. So what's the next one here? Here already 1 is there. 1 means what is there? A is coming here, and again that's it. So you are losing 1. So repetition is repeating. Now check with this one. 3, 1. What's the next one should be? 2. You should remove this 2 means okay. Four, 3, 1. I can take this one more 4, 3, 1. What's the C here? 3. Okay. Now again number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3 mean 4 means what should be on the get on the top? It's saying 4, 3, 1, 3. Yes or no? So here 4. Yeah, it is 4. Again 3. It is 3. Again 1. What is the 1 here? B. So 1 is B. Again 3 means what is the 3 here? A. So you will get A here. Yes or no? Got the logic? Now again I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the repetition I should get? 4, 3, 1, 3. So here also 4. Yes, 4. 3 here. 3. What is the 1 here? C. Yes or no? I got the answer. It's very complex, huh? No, simple only. But what I try to find with 1, 2, 3, 4 is how they are rotating. These 4 letters are there, no? Next one, he is rearranging them. That is the reason I am unable to find out the common. He is rearranging this block, rearranging next block. This block, rearranging next block. For rearranging, he is following one pattern. What's the pattern is following like? See 1, 2, 3, 4, rearranging like 4, 3, 1, 3. Again, that is the reason. Same I numbered again 1, 2, 3, 4. This it is 4, 3, 1, 3. Again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4, 3, 1, 3. Got it? So what is the answer? You know? C A C A C C A C A C. So answer is option A is the answer. Very important question. Again, SSC will take all this type of questions also. One block, again repeat, put the second block. Second block, repeat again, put in the third block. Third block, repeat again, put in the fourth block. So this is also important. Whenever there is repetition, better to number it, so that you won't have any confusion. Otherwise, 2 from here to here, then C from here to here, from where again the next will be confusion. Nimi? 4, 3, 1, 3. So 4, 3, 1, 3. 3 A unda. B unda. So now it comes B then. It is B then. B means it will change like C A B. C. So answer is option D instead of A. Okay. Same repetition only. Again. Yeah, good. Nice question. Good star mark. And you went your it's moderate again, moderate level question. So try to solve this. Next one is 94. Okay. One ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ అవునా ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 రాసాము ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 3 1 3 రావాలి సో 4 A వచ్చింది 3 B వచ్చింది 1 C వచ్చింది కరెక్ట్ అయితే C కదండి C వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ 3 అంటే మళ్ళీ B వచ్చింది కదా అంటే నాకు తెలిసి మనం ఓన్లీ 4 3 1 వరకు కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి we should not consider 3 like this like 4 3 1 repetition 4 3 1 4 3 1 4 3 1 వరకు yes or no then you get the answer like option A only. See, the logic is same thing. What is the logic? This block repeating, arranging in the next block. In the next block, he is rearranging them and putting in the next block. There is a logic here in this case. So remember this logic. And moreover, sometimes even one typing mistake also will lead to a lot of confusion in this type of questions. Okay. Yeah. Next 94. How it is repeating? 3 blocks repeating. Total how many? 18, no? So 18 means 6 blocks repeating 3 times or 3 blocks repeating 6 times. Can't we check with 6 blocks? Let's try check down. Gap C gap BD gap. Gap C rather gap C gap BD gap. So you'll get it. Here C means here A, here D. BD gap BDA BDA. These two are common. That's it. That is ADA CB. So check the option ADA ADA BCD. So obviously here it is BCD. For this repetition, next one has to be there. It is not there. Anyway, fine. So 9. So like this. So there are some questions. If you take the common, you get very easy. There are some questions that you get the observation arrangement of the numbers, and there are some questions like 93 question where one block you will try to rearrange and get to the next stage. So these are the 3 variations in the repeated letter series that we will expect in the exam. Internet example. Only these 3 variations are possible. Okay. So this is about our repeated letter series. So we'll take a small break here. Then we'll start a new topic. Okay. So which one you want? Your topic, Kavali? See, already we've done 2 topics here, main 2 topics. One is counting figures. Counting figures we've done already. Counting figures in the sense, it may be either your triangle or square or rectangle or circle. Done. The next one we've done with dice. The next one is dice. This also we've done these 2 topics in non-verbal. Now we try to do the remaining topics. Okay, like mirror and water images. This is very important. Definitely you'll get one question from mirror and water image. But one question from here. See, one question from here, one question from here, one question from either mirror image or water image. They won't ask both. If he's asking both means you are lucky fellow, because generally they'll be quite easy questions. Then followed by embedded figure. He's asking definite one question from embedded figure. Embedded figure, you're getting one question from embedded figure. So if you want to check, cross check this, you check with the 2021 question paper. Okay. So you'll have an idea on that. So embedded figure, then followed by paper cutting. Paper cutting, you're getting 1. Now, from these two questions, from these two areas, one is complete the given figure. One is complete the figure. And the second one is paper folding. Out of these two areas, one area you're getting 1 question. So these are the non-verbal questions we can expect, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6 also. It varies. Okay. In the 6th question includes some other type, maybe analogy or series, or sometimes you may ask 1 question from complete the figure, 1 question from paper folding as well. So like this, we get 6 questions. I think everybody maximum, everybody will get 6 out of 6. If you are doing wrong in this case, means you will regret. Now, write down the topic name: mirror and water images. Those who are preparing for SI, this is very, very, very important. You'll get more than 20 questions. Mirror and water image. Now, what is a mirror image? What is a mirror image? The image that is reflected in the mirror is called as mirror image. That is the definition. Opposite of original image. Okay, let's say this. Generally, you take any figure. You take any figure. For example, this is the figure, something like this. Okay. Why I will put this also. What I will do is, okay, we'll do something like this. Okay, we'll take the bigger image. Okay, we'll take this image. If you want to draw a mirror image of this one, first of all, you go with the mirror image. If I want to draw a mirror image of this one, so you can represent the mirror either here or here. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now, once this is the mirror, that blue line is the mirror. Generally, if you see the explanation point of view, if I divide this particular image into center, left becomes right, right becomes left. With respect to this plane, whatever the plane that is there, this is the right side and this is the left side. Now, in the mirror, it appears like the right side will be the left side and left side will be the right side. But we are not going to follow that method. No left side, no right side, only one side. What is that side? That side is whatever near the mirror, keep near the mirror. Whatever away from the mirror, keep away from the mirror. Not only this, in this case, you can arrange this mirror anywhere you want. It means, I will explain what that exactly it means. For example, this is the circle. So this circle will be as this, but first of all, this head is the near to the mirror, no? So obviously put head near the mirror. Okay. Once you get, because this head is near the mirror, head near. Now in the head, what is near the mirror? Eyes. So you put these 2 eyes. Now the problem arises is, now this part, whatever this part, how to draw this part in the mirror image. So what you have to do is, you try to imagine yourself mirror in this position. You try to imagine their mirror, only for that point, not the entire figure, that point. If I imagine here, whatever near the mirror, keep the near the mirror, whatever away from the mirror, keep away from the mirror. Then this point is near the mirror. This point is near the mirror. So start from here and again come here. Yes, sir, this is the exact mirror image. So now you try to represent this as it is here, like this. Got it? What I'm saying is, if wherever you are confused, you try to take only that part and keep the mirror there only. Imagine yourself mirror, and whatever near the mirror, keep near the mirror, whatever from the mirror, keep away that. Okay. Now, once you keep this, again, you're having a line. Now, this line is a mirror, imagine. So whatever near the mirror, keep near mirror, away is away. So obviously, it will be drawn like this. And again, whatever this one is there, this also you will draw like this. Yes or no? Now, if I divide through a plane, this plane, so now with respect to this plane, this is right side and this will be the left side. So if you overall check it, whatever that is the right becomes left, whatever the left that became right. Yes or no? So this is your mirror image. Okay. So instead of taking left, right, always try to take that whatever near the mirror, keep near, whatever away from the mirror, keep away from the mirror. Go think in this context. You will never have any wrong. You will get 100% accuracy. Because if you take left, right, these kind of small parts, like this one, no, there the people will be confused. After confused about example. So that is the reason you try to, wherever you are confused, you keep the mirror there and try to represent yourselves and give the answer. Okay. Now this is about your which image? Mirror image. Now what is water image? If you keep the mirror at the bottom, it will become water image. Means, for example, if the same thing, if this is the person, no. If the same image, if I want to draw a mirror image, what is your answer? If the same image, if I draw a mirror image, you will get the answer same. Why you are getting the same answer? What is the reason? What is it? It is symmetrical, no? It is bilaterally symmetrical. What's the meaning of bilateral symmetrical? Okay, let's see. What is the meaning of bilateral symmetrical? The meaning of bilateral symmetrical means if I cut this one through axis, this axis, left side and right side both are same. That kind of images are called as bilateral symmetrical images. For example, take human beings. We are symmetrical image. Why? If you cut to the center, the left side and right side will be same. Even there is a mirror in front of you, unless you move the hand, you don't know which one is the right one, which is the left one, right? Because you are symmetrical in nature. So you remove this one, and if you keep the mirror at the bottom, it becomes what? Water image. No. In case of water image also same. Why? Because you are keeping mirror at the bottom. So whatever near the mirror, keep near it. Whatever above the mirror, keep above it. Okay. So what is that mirror? This is a mirror. Now what is near to that? These legs are near to that, and finally head is away from that. So you draw this one, and you draw a head here. And what is away? Eyes are away. So put away, and see the here this smiley position. If you are confused there, if in that position, you draw mirror here only. Once you draw the mirror here, whatever near the mirror, keep near the mirror. Whatever away from the mirror, keep away from the mirror, and draw as it is here. This position. Got it? So no confusion now. So I can remove this one. Now these legs that are whatever near, keep near, whatever away, keep away. So it will be like this, and it will be again like this. Yes or no? Because it is like this obvious form. These are near, no, and these are away. So this will be near, and this point will be away. Got it? Now, if you draw any plane, for example, with respect to this one, if you draw this plane, this will be the top, and this will be the bottom. Here also, if you draw a plane here like this, obviously this will be top and this will be bottom. So in case of water image, whatever that is the bottom, that becomes top, and whatever the top, that becomes what? Bottom. That is called as water image. Okay, this is your water image and mirror image concept. So instead of saying that top becomes bottom, bottom becomes tops, in case of water image, and left becomes right and right becomes left in case of mirror image, forget everything. If this is mirror image means wherever the mirror is there, keep whatever near, keep near, whatever away, keep away. Why? Because sometimes, for example, if he is keeping the mirror diagonally, there is one figure, and instead of keeping like this or like this, he is keeping the mirror like this. Then what he will do? Yes or no? We should not take chance. So obviously, whatever this mirror, keep near, whatever away, keep away. You get the same answer. Yes or no? Okay. Now, tell me, in the alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, and whatever you're talking about alphabets, which mirror images will be symmetrical, and what are the other letters which are not symmetrical? Okay, tell me that. What about A? Same or no? Same. Why? If you divide this into half, obviously left side will be same, will be as right side. So it's quite symmetrical. Both sides are symmetric. Next one, B. No. What's the next one? No. C in case of water image. Huh? John. Yeah, see, if this is C, if this is the mirror, obviously it comes like this, no? Because this is near the mirror, this will be near the mirror, and this away from the mirror, this will be away from the mirror. Yes or no? So C is not the answer. Next one. M కంటే ముందు ఏం లేదా? H కంటే ముందు ఉందా? ఏమన్నా H కంటే ముందు? Yes or no? No. Next one is H. తర్వాత I. Then M. Then O. O is spherical symmetry in the sense that it doesn't matter where you keep the mirror, it appears same. Spherical symmetry కదా, నువ్వు ఎక్కడ అర్థం పెట్టలేదు అట్లానే అనిపిస్తుంది. Yes, O. Then O. Come on. T. Exactly. T. Then U. Then V. Then X. Then U V W. Sorry. W X. Why I'm asking, I will tell. Why I'm writing this, I will tell you in the short time. X. And why depends upon how you are writing. If you're writing like this, no. If you're writing like this, yes. Okay. Anyway, tell me those alphabets which have same water image. A will have same water image. Yes or no? No. If this is like this is the mirror, means obviously it appears like this. No. No. Come on, guys. C first of all. C, because if you take water image, this also C same. Yes or no? C. Then D. Then after D, E. Then no. F ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా, దీనికి మీరే ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇలా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో సేమ్ ఉండదు. What's the next one? H. Then good. తర్వాత I. Good. K. సార్ నో. K. ఇక్కడ కట్ చేస్తే పైన కింద సేమ్ ఉండాలి కథం. If you cut the center of top and bottom should be same, no? K. Then obviously O. M. M W అవుతుంది. O. Then after yes sir. No. Yes ఇలా ఉంది కదా, ఇలా అవుతుంది. అది ఇలా వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, ఇది దగ్గర ఉంది కదా, దగ్గర పెడతావు, ఇలా మళ్ళీ దూరం వెళ్తావు, మళ్ళీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఇలా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో నాట్ పాసిబుల్. S is not possible. Then what is the next one? X. X. Okay. Now what is important is in these two, how many are having both mirror and water images? How many letters are having both mirror and water images? Same. What is the next one? H. H. Then I. Then I. Then O. Then O. Then X and X. Why I'm asking this question? This is the previous essay question. The previous essay question is which of the following is the odd one out? He asked this question and he gave H, I, X and some other letter. And everybody thought like this. H and I are less than 13. That is O and some other number. So that number is also I think less than more than 1. So if you see that one, then your answer is in this format is here. So there are some letters that is forming both mirror and water image same. There is one letter which is not forming that. That is your answer. So that is the reason. Yeah, that is the reason you should know even this stuff also. Okay. Now let's solve some questions. You try to give the answer. You try to observe and try to give the answer. Okay. Let's start with this questions now. Yes, 127. Don't write. No need. They won't ask this one and that. Even they ask, you can answer it. It's not a big deal. Okay. Just observe. What is the answer? 127? Why 127? What is the answer? What is the answer? B. Yes or no? Yeah, let's see here. This is the mirror image, it starts from here only. So what is the first one? L. So this is the L. Then A will be same. And see the N. How to see N? So this line will be same. This line is same. Yes or no? Now see N here. It is starting here and moving top. Which one is near the mirror? Bottom point is near the mirror. No. So start bottom and again move to the top. That's it. Then O as it is, I as it is, T as it is, A as it is, again N will be like this only. So draw line. It is starting at the bottom, moving to the top, start at the bottom and moving to the top. So this is the answer. So which option? B. Similarly, 128. Yes? A? Yes, easy one. 129. What's the answer? D. 130. H same. K reverse. 6 also other direction. Y same. F reverse. Z reverse. T same. U same. So what's the answer? D. D, na? Yes or no? Yes. Next one, 131. Three reverse, G reverse, M same, W same, 4 reverse, 5 reverse, N reverse, A same. B. What's the answer? B. That's it. Okay. Now we'll come to the actual figures now, where they're going to ask in the exam. Yes. Yes, 132. B. Yes. See, in 132, imagine this line itself as mirror. Okay. Once you imagine this point and this point and this point, you check it out. So this you will get like this. Yes or no? So this one and this one will be same, and you move away. So here also you move away. Similar here also you move away, come bottom. Again you draw a line and you try to connect it. Yes or no? Same. So answer is D is the answer. Yes. Next, 133. See, in case of 133, MN, whatever the line that is there, this is the mirror. You have to, in the exam, you have to remember that. The exam, there are which of the following is the mirror image. And immediately don't think that mirror image means I have to keep mirror here. No, you have to give a mirror. So he's asking to find out that image. Okay. So be careful here also. MN means mirror. So here mirror means obviously kind of water image. So what's the answer? B. D, D. Yes or no? Same thing. Mirror here. This will be same, and you'll get like this. Yes or no? Next. An easy one, not that much difficult. I said almost everybody will attempt these questions. It's not that much tough questions, but you should know them because they are asking in the exam. Right? Next one. 134. So where is the mirror? This is the mirror. So which option? Yes or no? Yes. 135. A. Why you are thinking, I don't know. This is a mirror. Triangle near. This is looking towards the mirror. This is also looking towards the mirror. This is inside the mirror and this is inside the mirror. So what is the answer? A. Doesn't matter. Left to right or right to left. Same. Okay. If this point means this comes near. This will show inside the triangle, irrespective of the thing. The dark one shows inside the figure only, But if you see option B, it is showing, option C, it is outside, no? So C is already eliminated. Next, 136. For the answer, C. This line is sufficient. You draw like this line. I think it's only having this line. Next. Now we'll see water images. So these are water images. Yes, try to answer it. C? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Yes, C. Why you are thinking that much? M becomes what? W. D option. Yes or no? Remaining all starting with where? Y. Y equal to the this is not your water image, not mirror image. 139. This eliminated, this eliminated. Come on. For the answer? This is the answer. Yes or no? Good. Now come to figures. We'll solve some figures. Yes, 140. Water image. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. You know? Okay. Let's see. I know where you are confused. See, water image means obviously circle is top, come to the bottom. In all the case, circle is bottom. This figure and this were same position, same position, same position, same position. Only one figure there is a different. What is this one? This figure is there. So we have to imagine the mirror. Here only have to imagine the mirror, no? I said that already. Wherever you are confused, for example, if this is the image, wherever you are confused, you draw mirror here itself. Whatever the near the mirror, keep near the mirror. Whatever away from the mirror, keep away from that mirror. So obviously, this line becomes like this. This side is the dark color. Obviously, here is the and here is the dark color is more here. So this is your figure. అదే ఇక్కడ డార్క్ ఎక్కువ ఉందంటే కింద డార్క్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. If here dark color is less means obviously also will be less. So this is the image. Which image is one? Answer is A. So that's what I said. Wherever you are confused, keep the mirror there itself and observe it. Then you get 100% accuracy. Because in the exam, what happens, sometimes okay, your brain will cheat you because bit of tension. Next one is 141. So remember one more point. Remember one more point in case of water image. In case of mirror image, sides will change. Left side becomes right side, right side becomes left side. But in case of mirror image, sides will not change. For example, you see that before this one only. If I break like this, here you're having dark portion. No, here only dark portion will be there. Because sides will not change. Only bottom becomes top, top becomes bottom. Here also in 141 also, you observe this. I said that sides will not change. Wherever you have more dark color, that side will have more dark color only. For example, see here you're having more dark color, no? So obviously, is our answer is correct? B is correct? Where it is correct? Obviously, here you're having more dark color. Same side, no, if you break like this, if you break like this, on the same side you're having more dark color. Obviously, that will be your answer. No need to check much. No, I want to draw this image, I want to check like this. Let's check this one. So where you have to imagine the mirror, you imagine the mirror now, here only. Here only you imagine the mirror like this. So whatever near, keep near, and whatever away, keep away. So because of this, now you'll get more dark color. So that will be your answer. Okay. Next. 142. B. A. This triangle and this triangle are opposite, no? It here same, A eliminated. No, B also eliminated because this also same, this also same. So what is the answer? Yes or no? What is the answer? C is the answer. Got it? Next 143. What is the answer? C. See how same thing. Imagine the mirror here. This line, it's imagine this line is the mirror. Okay. Start near the mirror, start, move away from the mirror, move away from the mirror like this. So it is starting here and moving away. Now this arrow, this one is towards the mirror. So obviously you have to keep this one towards the mirror. And this is seeing towards the mirror. So you see towards this mirror and put the circle top. Because this away from the mirror, it also you are keeping away from the mirror. So this is the answer. So which option? Yeah, C is the answer, right? It's very easy only. Next. But some questions will no. See, simple logic. More the lines, more confusion. Remember the word in case of non-verbal, more the lines is giving, it will be leads to more confusion. Less the lines, less confusion. More the lines, more time wastage. Now, 144, what is the answer? Hmm? Take the answer. Huh? In the concept of top, this is the bottom. Top. This is top. This is bottom. Same. This condition is so. Ah, these lines are like this, no? So obviously this is bottom, top. This is top. This come to the bottom. Sir, no. Option A. 145. Huh? D. I said that in case of path image, side will not change. If I break here, this is on your right side, no? That will be on the right side only. So if you break here, it will be on your right side. So answer is D. C would allow unda. See lines to do. ఈ లైన్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి. అది కిందికి పోవాలి. వాటి మీద కిందికి రావాలి కదా. లైన్స్ చూసి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోయినావా? ఎలా అక్కడ చూసినావా? మొత్తం ఫిగర్ చూడాలి. Okay. Yeah, try to answer this one. If you are answering this one correctly means you understood the subject. So give accurate answer. Just take some 30 seconds or 35 seconds, but try to give the accurate answer. B. Tata. Bye bye. Huh? D, C, B, D. We got three options. I said now, if you say correct, you understood the subject. Before saying I said the code also. If you are giving this correct answer, means you understood the subject. What's the answer? C, yeah? Okay. Mali me okay. Let's see. Let's D. Again, Sushmita got again. I think you changed the answer, Sushmita. What's the correct answer? Giving last chance. Observe one more time and give the correct answer. I'm going to explain this. C only, yeah. Communication said. C. Okay. Huh? Option leda. E na. D. Okay. Let's see. It's a mirror image. It's a water image. So bottom, top, top, bottom. That logic we know. If this is here means obviously this will go same position here. Yes or no? If we based on this logic, two options are eliminated. What are they? A, B eliminated. I'm not going to think that. Okay. Now, after this moved in the same position to the top, means this position moved to the top. Obviously, here is the image, and here also is the image. That is properties over. What is the next lines that you are having? The next biggest thing is this one. If you are able to find out this position exactly, you're going to get the answer. See here, what I said. Wherever you are confusion, there you have to keep the mirror. For example, if this block I am confused means you think that this line itself has a mirror. Don't keep somewhere away. Now, whatever near the mirror, keep near. Whatever away, keep away. So, for example, you take this line. Is like so it will become like this. This line becomes like this. Yes or no? Now the lines will be in this direction. Yes or no? Where at the bottom? So at the bottom, you see these lines. These lines are showing in this direction, but the lines are in which direction? Other direction. No. So the lines are like this. So what is the answer? D. D is the answer. Got the logic? So wherever you are confused, keep the mirror there only, and you try to, for example, see, this is the line. I will say here. See. This is the line, and how these lines are like this now. What is the mirror image of these lines? Whatever near, keep near or go away. So near, go away, go near. So these are the lines. Where these lines are? Obviously in the D. So C is not the answer. B eliminated, you take this one. This should be in the same position, should go to the top. Means this should be in this position, no? But this is on this side. Here only these two are on this side, no? This first, this two eliminated because this is very easy, for me. Straight lines. If the line is straight, means obviously mirror and water image will be same. So that is the first priority I will give. Okay, got this? So that is the logic. The logic is very simple. Wherever you are confused, keep the mirror there and get the answer. Okay, that's what I said. If you are able to solve this one, you understood the concept. Okay, but many people didn't understand that. Again, you are doing with the same logic. Okay, top to bottom, bottom to top to bottom. Again, with the same mentality only, or proceed. That 100% accuracy will not get if the question is difficult. If you want to get 100% accuracy, wherever you're confused, keep the mirror there. That logic you should not forget. Okay, next one. Next type of questions, again, very important for SSC, is asking quite frequently. Write down after mirror and water images, embedded figure. Embedded figure. What is the meaning of embedded? What is the meaning of embedded? Embedded means? Some of figures. Okay. What is the meaning of embedded? Means hidden. In a figure, for example, see here. Next, see. If this is the question, here X is the question figure and followed by 4 options. In this case, this figure is embedded in option A, B, C, or D. You need to identify in which option it is embedded, in which option it is hidden, or in which option it is there. Sometimes, remember this, sometimes if the rotation is not there, he itself gives in the question rotation not done. Because in 2021 question, if you see the embedded question, directly is mentioned in some questions, rotation is not done. Rotation is not done means same as it is embedded. If rotation is done means this can be any, for example, you can rotate it into clockwise and you can embed it. You can rotate 180 and embed, repeat 270, turn it and embed. So he will give that rotation is done or not, he will give the question itself. So don't worry about that. Now, you tell me based upon the common sense, in which option is embedded? A, B, C or D? For the answer, C. Let's see where it is embedded. If I take this one, okay, this is embedded, right? Same. Bottom. It is inverted. Inverted. It is inverted, no? ఇది పైన ఉంది కదా, ఇది కిందికి వచ్చింది అంటున్నా, ఇది పెద్ద ఉంది కదా పైకి వచ్చింది అంటున్నా. ఇన్వర్ట్ చేసి పెట్టాడు అంటున్నా, పెట్టచ్చు అట్లా. అన్లెస్ ఈ మెన్షన్స్ వాడు రొటేట్ చేయకపోతే ఫిగర్ నాట్ రొటేట్ అని చెప్తాడు. ఓకే, అది ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకో వాడు రొటేషన్ చేసినా పెట్టుండొచ్చు అని. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Some questions are very easy, some are very difficult in this also. Some even kills a lot of time in the exam because people are unable to find out where exactly it is embedded. So we'll see all types, some easy questions, some difficult questions as well. Yes, 148. A or B? CD eliminated. First of all, B. E or B? B only, sure. Why B is the answer? Why not A? A is smaller. A is smaller or B is smaller? B is bigger. B is bigger. Yes, sir. A is A. Okay. Let's see this. This is the line and this is the line. To know whether it's a big or small. If I go with this same, this coming here, and it is also again moving this line. So this is the Z fashion, right? If you, this one, and you are moving till here only. But what about here? See, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Okay. Now everything is same. This line and this line. Obviously, this line and this line. Now which one is smaller? Which one is bigger? B is smaller or A is bigger? A is the correct one. B is small. See here it is ending. It is still here, no. First line is also not a huge change I can see, but I can see the bottom line. I can see a big difference in the bottom line. Okay, for example, almost both are similar, but you see this line and this line almost similar, and this is somewhere top. But in this, if you see this top line here you can see not that much drastic change. I can see not that much drastic change. It's very minute. Okay, that is the reason out of this the better one is A. Both are similar, better one is A. 149. Huh? Which one? D. Easy. Next, 150. Again, easy question. D. Good. Next one. Now, moderate question. Not that much difficult. At the same time, not that much easy also. So this is your moderate question. One 51. B. Where? On which side you're expecting? Here, huh? Sorry, here, huh? Where? This line? Okay, upper. Then this one, no? Okay, I'm coming here, coming down. No, that is not the answer. No. What is the answer? Yeah, this is the answer. Okay, answer is option. I said no. They will be easy. At the same time, they are difficult. So reasoning is easy unless you solve. Solve చేస్తున్నాకనే అది easy అవుతుంది. Solve చేయకుండా అది difficult question లానే అనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, 152. We can answer it easy. B is the answer. 153. Yeah, more the lines, more confusion. I already said this word. So 153 is having many more lines, so you'll have still more confusion. Yes. Those who want to become police, please identify. That's how the police is very important. Observation is very important for the police. Okay, you have to observe everything. Okay, minute of things. Rotation also. It's not mentioned. When it's not mentioned, rotation also. Okay, I'm going to give the answer. Yeah. Give the answer. Okay, got it. So on this option, yes. Okay, so it's everything depends on your yeah. Everything depends on your observation skill. Ito na skill antu em undadu anta mi skill. The next type of question. We'll see the next type of questions. Okay, there is one more question is there. Let's complete the figure. Complete the figure looks like middle bottom measure. Okay, okay. Now what's the answer for 154? Same question, embedded figure only. It's not a new topic. It's embedded figure only. In the following question, select the alternate figure which is embedded in the given figure X. Now, option is out of this A, B, C, D, which one is embedded in the figure X? That is a question. Reverse now in this case. Out of A, B, C, D, which one is embedded in the X? Either option A is embedded or B or C or D. Good answer. C. C is the answer. C is embedded. Okay, this is the embedded figures. Next type, write down. Next, you will get one question. Just a minute, I'll take it for that.